I'm Andrew Ostrowski, Director of Culinary with Middleby Marshall and host of Feed the Beast. Make sure you check out our videos at middlebymarshall.com/feedthebeast and like and subscribe down below. We're going to dive a little bit into why conveyor cooking makes so much sense. We talked about the different technologies that play a role in it, both impingement and now as we explore the CTX, it's the long wave infrared. Where that really plays a role in today's kitchen is creating a consistency in the back of house. Not only are you going to struggle right now with labor, but you're going to spend time training, retraining, retraining, and retraining that said labor over and over again to kind of get your branding set in place. When we look at the consistency of the conveyor systems, we use that tunnel of heat, be it impingement or with CTX, as I mentioned, the long wave infrared, to create those consistency problems that you see in traditional cooking lineups, be it in your saute station, your charbroiler, or on top of a flat top. What we really want to get into though is the flexibility that you can do with these sort of platforms. From everything from cooking proteins, with the CTX really shines at those high temperatures, it's going to use that along with its 4 inches of height to be able to put a variety of products through. Splitting the belts adds a huge amount of flexibility so that you're able to do everything from shrimp to proteins like chicken, steak, pork chops, and do your melting, broiling, and roasting as well. Now let's explore a little bit more of the flexibility of items that you can go through a conveyor system. With Middleby Marshall's flexibility and technologies, with the impingement side, we know that it's a rock star with pizza, but don't count out other things that go along with that lineup in terms of wings, tater tots, and other ovenable products that are really out there and hot right now. Now when we talk about the CTX platform, that long wave infrared is creating a high heat to replicate those traditional cook lineups. Therefore, it's a rock star for things like any kind of proteins, from delicate things like shrimp, salmon, or halibut, all the way to your heavier red meat proteins like steak, pork chops, and it's an absolute winner for chicken each and every day to create that consistency. But the other part of the flexibility is splitting the belt so that you're able to have a whole different menu concept to be able to run right next to your proteins. For example, a 2-minute belt is going to be melting your open-faced sandwiches, while your 6-minute belt is going to be doing your chicken all day long. And there you have it, consistent, quality cooking each and every time. For more information and to see a little bit how we dive into the segments that CTX really makes an impact in, visit us at middlebymarshall.com/feedthebeast and check us out. Also make sure you subscribe and like the videos below.